Ever wondered what's really happening on the factory floor? Your operators are on the front lines, and often they're the first to spot a problem. But are they empowered to solve it? Unplanned downtime isn't just a number, it's a breakdown in communication. This is where the DRiFT improvement module changes everything. We bring everyone together, from the operator to the executive, in structured tier meetings. Our live shift data gives your team real-time feedback on production and performance, so they can quickly identify issues and solve them together. This isn't about top-down directives. It's about building a culture where everyone is a problem solver. We've seen the results firsthand. When your people are empowered to improve, your whole business wins. We're proud to have a 100% client retention rate, proving that when you get the numbers right, your business thrives.